Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing hardware. Make sure your monitor and computer audio are unmuted and set to an identifiable output. Once ready, connect powered external speakers or a USB DAC to the source. This is the single reliable method to noticeably increase monitor loudness. Make sure you chose the right cable for your connection type. If your monitor only passes audio, bypass it and plug speakers straight into the computer or DAC. This first step immediately moves sound amplification off the monitor. Once connected, set the new playback device as default and match its sample rate to the DAC or speakers to avoid distortion. Then, place the speakers at ear height roughly 1/2 to 1 meter away and angle them for direct sound. Room placement matters more than monitor volume. Gradually increase the amplifier gain while playing typical content, watching for clipping. Make sure to use your system equalizer to boost perceived loudness in low and mid bands while preserving clarity. To finish, run listening tests across music, videos, and voice to fine-tune volume, balance, and EQ. Once done, secure cables and lock speaker inputs to prevent accidental changes. Make sure to save any software EQ presets so you can quickly restore louder, clean settings. If things go wrong, check the default playback device in your OS, swap cables, or plug the speakers into a phone. If they work there, the issue is the source or driver, not the speakers, which narrows troubleshooting quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.